sing some, but my goal is to get it right. Get the words right. If you don't know the artist, you go to one of the elders and ask them, how is this sound? And you sing this song. So the song is like, she's telling her son to build a house because you're a man. Cover me and hide me from shame because you're a man. So she said, say Bunabo Buba. Bunabo. Bunabo means to build. Say Bunabo. Bunabo. Say Bunabo. Buba. Bunabo Buba. Okay. Ariel means that you're a man. Ariel. Boobity booboo. Ariel boobity booboo. You're supposed to be a man. Okay? Bunabo Buba. Leader of Batibu. Leader. Go. Badib. Leader of Badib. So God will help you. Leader of Badibu Dios. Leader of. Clap your hands. Leader of Badibu Dios. Bunabo Bubana. Bunabo Buba. Lidarago. Badibo. Dios. Bunabo Bubana. Lidarago Badibo Dios. Bunabo Bubana. Bunabo Bubana. Bunabo Bubana. Lidara Bubadibo. Dios. Wow. Okay. Let's go with your drums. Hit your drums in a paranga style and then you'll do your yeah. get the CD, you put it on there, it's in a book form.
Okay.
So you could just print it out,
Okay.
and then you give them, and they just could start working on the music so they could get